Hi, Sandy, the Kentucky Crafter. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting thing I want to share with you all. It is a new magazine, and I just want to share it with you all and kind of help get the word out. And hopefully you all would be interested in getting this magazine and or any of the future issues. So this is somebody, Jordan E. Clark. She's on Instagram, and I think she's changed her Instagram to Jordan Stellaire, and I'll list it down in the description box below. But this is her first magazine, and it's a smaller format magazine called a zine sometimes. I don't know if you've heard of those, but the magazine came with this pretty little package here, and it was wrapped in this wax seal and this twine, which I thought was really pretty. And I love this vellum envelope. And inside here was this little envelope as well, and she had put this little saying on it. And then inside of here was just a little note thanking me for buying this, and it's the hashtag Stellaire magazine. And then she included, here's a little page of some stickers. Aren't they beautiful? And they, peel off. They're kind of the clear stickers. Can't wait to use those. And then this fun little, I don't know if it's a journaling card or what you would consider it. You could use it for a number of different things. But this beautiful card here, and it's The Tragedy of Sleep, and it's a little poem that she made. And so she did all this artwork. You can follow her on Instagram and kind of see it. And then she used cutouts from magazines to make the poem. But anyway, very, very neat. So I thought that was neat, since we, anyone who pre-ordered the magazine, you got these extra little items. So if you were to order the magazine now, you wouldn't get these items. So here is the magazine. And, oh, she had little stars in there, I didn't realize. And it's a smaller size. It's, I don't have a thing to measure handy, do I? Do I have a ruler anywhere? Let's see. Here we go. So it is about 5.5 inches by, what does that say? 8.5 inches. So it's as I've been reading it and holding it, I'm like, this is a great size magazine. Normal size magazines, they're kind of a pain to read. But she designed this whole magazine. Here's if you want to scan, take a picture of that. But it's just gorgeous. And I think she and her boyfriend do a lot of the photography. But here's a poem here that she wrote. And this spoke to me so much. I mean, I teared up when I read it. Hopefully the glare's not too bad. But I love the size of this. Here's kind of the table of contents, so if you're interested in ordering it. But it's a thick magazine. Let's see how many pages are in here. Yeah, there's 112 pages in here. And you can see in the table of contents just like different craft things, different activities that she kind of walks us through to try if we want to. Shares a little bit about her creative process. So I'll just flip through a few of the pages. So that's Jordan right there. And so this is her letter about the magazine and kind of how it came about. And here's some more of these. So that's similar to this creation here with the cutouts from magazines. And here, like, here's an example of an altered mixtape. So there's a little project that she goes through on how to do that. And then just some beautiful pictures. She lives in Seattle, Washington, which also speaks to me because my daughter lives in Seattle as well. And then she talks kind of about being an artist. And then she includes some really pretty papers that if you wanted to rip out. And then here's a little thing about making your own fortune cookies. Just fun little stuff where you can write your own fortunes. Here's a mini collage calendar. So she walks through kind of how to go about making that. So that's fun. Here are some 30 days of art journaling. So these are some prompts to give us ideas of things that we could possibly do in our journals. And then just some more pictures. Just beautiful. It's just a really pretty magazine. And it was $15, which I thought was a fair price for all the content. So then here she walks through her creative process, which I thought was very interesting and had some takeaways from there that I appreciated. And just some more beautiful pictures. But I think these would be fun to use in my own journals and collage. And then here is making a pen pal letter. So she walks through how to make this really cute pen pal letter, which I'm definitely going to try. And here's some different ideas of things to send to a pen pal. Just fun stuff. Let's see. And then here's another poem. She's really good at writing poems, and my daughter is as well. So, and decorated with paper stars. So, and some more of those poems. So here's this page here that she sent in a little postcard. And then here's quotes that she included that you can cut out and use in your journal. So just a really neat magazine to kind of get, you know, it's an introduction to getting to know her. And she kind of walks through her studio and her space. Really neat. I thought it was a great introductory magazine. Here's her two little cats. But I thought it was a great introductory magazine to kind of get to know her. Plus, you know, she included some fun interactive things for the reader. And the other thing I thought was really neat is she's looking for collaborators as well and to contribute to future issues of her magazine. But I just wanted to get on and share because it's kind of fun, you know, getting the, you know, edition number 1. So I really enjoyed that. And I've been following her for a while now on Instagram, and just excited for her that she was able to make this magazine a reality. And like I said, I really like the size of this and holding it and reading it. It's really nice. It feels great in my hands, and so anyway, I wanted to share it with you because I really like it. You know, I'm a big fan of Daphne's Diaries magazines and the Somerset Studio magazines. So, you know, I'm always kind of looking for a nice art journal, and I like the ones where there's not ads in them. Primarily ads. I understand if you have to have a few, but I just wanted to get on and share this with you all. So check her out on Instagram, and also on her website is where you can find out information about the magazine. So anyway, wanted to share that with y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.